Rogue One Lego series. It comes with 4 minifigures: Jin Urso, 2 Scarif troopers, and something cartoon, I don't know. And here's a look at the back of the box. Yeah, nice. Now we're gonna get on to the opening. Hope it won't be like the Hobbit sets. Ah, my finger. It's hard. It's hard. Yes, open it. Open it. Okay, got it. Bag 1. Bag 2. Some stickers. Bag 3. No, so the last thing that was in it is the instruction booklet. Yep. This is it for the set, so let's go to the time lapse. Okay, first we're starting with the 2 Scarif troopers, as well known as the shore troopers. They've got 2 unusual helmets that don't come in all sets, but some. The same as the guns, they don't come in all the sets of the Star Wars, but maybe 1 or 2 other ones. They both have pockets at the front, and they're not much detail at the top. They've got some other pockets at the back. I don't know, pockets or something. Yeah, I'm gonna show you only the one of them. There's how their head looks. So now we're going on to Jin Urso. Jin Urso has a outfit, not her usual outfit, because she probably changed her. Because it's an unusual her outfit because she has an Imperial Gunner's outfit, and this is how her angry face looks on the front. Here's her gun, and in the meantime you can see the back details and her normal face. She also comes with her hair, which is cool, but you have to change them sometimes. Okay, last but not least we have Cassian Andor. He has a nice little beard, not little but a normal beard, brown hair, a kind of worried like face, normal gun, jacket, not too much detailing at the back of the jacket, and he has a smiled face at the back, or you can turn it around. I can't tell the difference. Now we're going on to the set. But first I will show that you can't open up the doors. I'm trying to open them up, but they can't. So then when the Y-wing bombs, it's meant to just fall down and then the doors can open. And at the back of it, there's 2 clips where you can put weaponry, the Death Star plans, and a little panel to control things. Now we're going on to the main play feature. I'm going to for this to last, which is when this button here, or it doesn't look like a button, but it is a button. When you push it, it explodes. It explodes because of these detonator bombs that are put inside. I don't know why they needed to use colourful bricks, but yeah. And oh yeah, and I nearly forgot. There's this orange barracks thing. I don't know, and which when you open, it comes with these Star Wars binoculars. Oh yeah, and it comes with this palm. It should come with the coconuts. There's no coconuts. Yeah, well that was the end of this video. See you in the next video. Bye. That was about that.